guys, I'm me. Welcome back to my channel. Is it the first time you're tuning into my channel? I say a big welcome. This is Learn French with Queen. Here on this platform, we learn French. We learn it in such a way that the learning encompasses the reading, the speaking, and the writing skill. So do well to like my video if you find it useful. Do share to loved ones and subscribe. So today we'll be looking at an amazing topic which says how to say goodbye. So obviously you are with someone and you just want to part with the person, or the person wants to leave. There are various ways of just telling the person goodbye. So in today's video we'll be looking at how to say goodbye. So these are the various ways of saying goodbye. So you can have au revoir, you can say au revoir, which means goodbye. Au revoir is a common saying that most people do say au revoir, au revoir, au revoir. Au revoir, which simply means goodbye. Okay, so for au revoir, most times when you are still going to see that person, you don't necessarily need to say au revoir. You can just make do of something like à tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure means like see you soon. Like it's when you are leaving finally, like sort of maybe the person won't see you again, maybe till the following day, something that will take a longer period of time. That is the right time to say au revoir. So when you want to use au revoir, don't just say au revoir, au revoir when you know that you are still going to see that person later on. So most times it's preferable to say à tout à l'heure when you know you are still going to see that person again that same day. So it's preferable to use à tout à l'heure. Then when you know that you'll be leaving the person for a longer period of time, you can make do of au revoir. So let's continue. We have à tout à l'heure, just like I've said. If you're going to still see the person later on, you can make do of à tout à l'heure. So we have also di, or you can make use of à bientôt, which means see you soon. You can say on se dit, or you can say à bientôt, à bientôt, à bientôt, which means see you soon. We have à demain. À demain means see you tomorrow. Obviously, you are going to see that person tomorrow. So that's why I'm telling the person à demain. So we have à la prochaine or à la prochaine fois. Sometimes you hear people say à la prochaine, or you can hear them say à la prochaine fois. So whichever way it's correct. So à la prochaine means see you the next time, or à la prochaine fois, see you the next time. The same thing. You can tell the person passez une belle journée. Passez une belle journée, which means do have a nice day, have a great day. Or you can even say passez une agréable journée. Agréable. Have a nice day as well. This simply means have a nice day. So we have bonne journée. Bonne journée means have a great day as well. So it's in either way. You can either make do of passez une belle journée, do have a great day, or bonne journée. Okay, so you can make use of bonne journée à vous if you are referring to an elderly person or a group of persons. So you can make do of bonne journée à vous. But you can also make do of bonne journée à toi if it's somebody that you have rap up with, or someone younger than you are, or someone that is just close to your age mate. So you can make do of bonne journée à toi, or you can simply say bonne journée. So it's either way it's correct. So you can have it as bonne soirée as well. Bonne soirée simply means good evening, like have a great evening. So most times when you are with someone and you are leaving, especially when it's in the evening, they will always greet you bonne soirée. It's very common with the French people. They'll tell you bonne soirée. Simply means to enjoy your evening, have a great evening. So you can have bonne nuit as well, which simply means have a great night. So we can have it in this format as well, and au revoir, which simply means you will meet again. So when you hear people say au revoir, so you don't have to be surprised. It simply means you will meet again. So you can have à plus tard or à plus. So most times you can hear people say à plus or à plus tard, à plus. So it simply means see you later. It's a way of just telling the person a goodbye as well. So you can have à la semaine prochaine, which simply means see you next week. Obviously, you know that you're going to see the person next week. You can make do of à la semaine prochaine. And so we have this one, ciao ciao. This is just informal. You know, informal. Just make do of it with someone you're familiar with. Ciao ciao. Or you can have it in this way. Also, I've seen the written format this way, which means ciao. You know, people just make do of it. It's an informal way anyway. So you can just have ciao. So these are the varieties of ways you can say a goodbye to someone. So if you've been saying goodbye to somebody or you have a specific way of saying it, these are varieties of ways that you can make do of as well. And if you are not used to saying goodbye in various formats, this is a new avenue to start saying your goodbye in various ways. You can say a plus or a plus tard, or you can say an au revoir, or you can say a bientôt. So whichever format you want to use, you can make do of au revoir, you can make do of à demain, you can make do of passing belle journée, especially when you meet with your colleague or somebody, or you have a conversation on phone with somebody. You can just tell the person have a great day by saying passez une belle journée or passez une agréable journée or passez une merveilleuse journée. You know, whichever format you want to make do of, you can make do of them. You can just say bonne journée à vous or bonne journée à toi or bonne journée, just simply bonne journée. It's correct as well. So let me meet with you at the comment section. So let me know if you have anything to say or to write as regarding how to say goodbye. I'll be glad to meet with you at the comment section. Do well to give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Do share to loved ones and subscribe. See you next time. Over.